Hi there, my name is Chris, Sales Manager for Sound and Vision in Bolton. You're looking at today the latest Sharp LC60LE925, and it's a fantastic TV. 60-inch, full HD, it's also 3D ready, the 3D technology is built into the TV, and you also get a set of glasses with the set as well. It's also got a contrast ratio in excess of 2 million to 1. The way it achieves that really high contrast, that the set itself is an Edge LED TV, giving you superb contrast levels. Not only will you get a really good black level, you're going to get fantastic depth of field, a really good natural colour palette and great detail when you're looking at the darker areas of the screen as well. You've also got internet connectivity built into the TV, you've got a Freeview tuner, there's also a satellite tuner built into the TV as well. The set itself also has 200Hz scanning. If you take a standard TV scanning at 50Hz, meaning there's 50 pictures per second making up that image, on this TV you get up to 200Hz scanning, so it's going to control motion really well. So any fast movement, whether you're watching sports or movies, it's going to control that image extremely well with no delay or drag. Let's have a look at some of the menus on the TV itself. First of all, the remote control you get with the set, very straightforward to use. You've got a menu button just here, and then you've got up, down, right and left here. If we press the menu button, puts the menu up on the screen. The menu's along the top here and down the side, leaving the bulk of the picture still clear for you, so you can still watch what you are viewing while you've got the menu on. It's not overlaying the menu over the top of that picture for you. So if we come along here, just jog over to the left, we'll see the menus changing, and then once you're into the tools menu, you can drop down then into things like the picture settings on here. So we've highlighted AV, come down another one on there, and we're on to picture. If we press OK in the centre there, we can then go into the various picture settings, and there are a lot of adjustments that you can make to this picture. If I just come out of your way here just a second, you've got contrast, brightness, colour, tint, sharpness. As we come down those particular settings, below the sharpness you've also got advanced settings as well. So if we just press OK now, it'll put us into a lot of other options that we can select on the TV. So we've got hue settings for the picture, saturation, all colour temperature, lots of different modes that you can go into. You can really tweak this picture up to get the absolute best out of it. This TV also contains the latest technology from Sharp, which is their quad pixel technology. All of the TVs contain 3 coloured pixels, red, green and blue. This contains a 4th pixel, which is yellow, which gives you a much smoother transition from one colour palette to the next. So this has the quad pixel technology built into it as well. What we'll do before we go into some more of the menus, in a moment we'll go into the internet settings and various other things on the TV. But what we'll do first of all, we'll just spin the TV round and we'll go through some of the sockets on the rear of the set for you. Okay, so here we have a side view of the TV. This set lends itself to being wall mounted extremely well. All the sockets are recessed at the back of the panel here. The TV itself is only 4 centimetres in depth. So the sockets that we have, first of all we've got the CI, your cam slot. So if you want any pay-per-view channels, your CI card would go in there. Up from that you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 HDMI inputs, all recessed here on the back of the TV. You've then got the D sub sockets, so you've got a PC input on there as well. You've also got audio out on the side of the TV, Ethernet port, so you can connect this up as a wired connection to get internet service through here, but you can also do it wirelessly as well. And you've also got a USB connection there. So that's all the sockets down there. There's also a range of other sockets just underneath the TV as well. So what we'll do, we'll have a look at those just now for you. Okay, so we've got here your aerial connection. So for standard Freeview, you've also got a satellite connection on here as well. There's an RGB socket. This particular set comes with a cable which plugs into the socket just underneath here. And on the other end of that you have the 3 connections, the red, green and blue connection. Some games consoles and DVDs use that type of connection, but you do get the adapter for that in the box. You've also got an RS232 socket on there and a digital optical out. So if you want to feed the sound digitally out of this TV through an external amplifier, you can do so via the optical out that's on there as well. Okay, so here's the complete rear view of the panel itself. As I said, all the sockets are located down the side here. They're also just underneath the panel here as well, so they're all recessed. The panel itself is only 4 centimetres in depth. The wall mount for this are the connections here, which are basically 400mm, and the height is the same, I think, which is also Yeah, 400 mil. So you're looking at 400 by 400, so it's standard Visa wall mount bracket. The mains lead as well over here is also recessed. So as I said, it does lend itself really well for wall mounting. We'll spin the set back round now, and as I said, we'll have a look at some of the menus on screen for you. Okay, so here we are back with the TV. The set itself comes on a swivel base, so it comes with a pedestal stand in the box with the TV. As I said, lends itself really well to being wall mounted. A wall mounting bracket for this size of TV we have from around £50 just to get it sort of flush to the wall. You've also got manual controls on the TV, so as well as being a remote control, you've got an array of sort of soft touch options down here. So you just basically put your finger on the front of the TV and it will change channel, or you can change the volume, or you've got the full menu facility in there as well. So a nice little touch. What I'll do as well is give you a close-up of those controls in just a moment so you can see them on the panel itself. They're all illuminated and they're just down in the sort of bottom right-hand corner here, but it gives you sort of full access to the TV menus, channel change, volume, everything else that you would expect to have on the remote as well. If we just come out of those menus just for a second, we'll go through them in just a moment. You've also got on this TV, as we said, some internet functions. So on the remote, you've got net facility. If we press the net button at the top of the remote there, it will now start to access the internet through the TV. In fact, we're already there now. You can hardwire this, as we said, through the Ethernet port on the back of the TV, or you can do it wirelessly as well. And you just basically scan up, down, right and left for whatever you want on there. You've got various different applications. You've also got some game facility on here as well through the TV. But you've got various different options that you can access. And all you do is highlight it, press OK, and it'll start to search for that particular website. You can search for any particular web address on here as well. So you just punch in your web address and it'll go straight through to that website. So you've got sort of full internet capabilities through the TV as well. So we'll just come out of that for a moment. We'll just go back to the TV itself. As I said, the set itself is also 3D ready. The 3D technology is built into the TV. You get one set of glasses with the set. The glasses are powered. So on the remote, on the glasses, just there, you've got a little switch. And if you just press that switch there, the glasses just light up with a little orange indicator light. They are now active. The set itself, you can also convert 2D to 3D. So it's not just watching 3D as and when they're doing 3D broadcasts. If you want any particular program that you may be watching in 2D, you can go into the menu, into the 3D menu on the TV, and you can go from 2D to 3D. So you can actually convert any 2D signal to a 3D image as well. To be honest, it doesn't work as good as having actual 3D content, but what it does do is give you more depth of field in the picture itself. But you've got the option there to activate it if you want it on there. On the menu, if we just press the menu button, we've already been through some of the picture settings on the TV. If we go along just to the left here, as we change the menus along the top, the menus change down the right hand side of the screen. If we activate the tools menu again, we've got picture, which we've been into already, so we'll go down one from there to audio. Highlight it in blue, just press OK on the remote control, and we're now into the audio settings on the TV. We've now got options to adjust things like the treble and bass. You've also got various different surround sound modes on this TV, so you can have it just in stereo sound, but if you activate the surround sound modes, you've got various different options to throw the sound out and around you as well. If we come down from there, if you are watching a movie but you want to bring out the vocals better, so if someone's speaking but there's a lot of background noise going on and you can't really bring out the vocals, you can't hear those vocals very well, just go to clear voice on the menu system and activate it, put it into on, and it will bring out those vocals more clearly for you. As we come out of there and go along the menus as well, you've also got various different options that you can come down into. So you've got the installation menu. This TV has auto installation. Just go to auto installation when you first get the TV. You just drop down to it there, press OK, and it will tune itself in and set itself up. It's a fantastic TV with a wonderful picture quality. The picture quality in 2D, as I said, is absolutely stunning. You get a really good contrast level because it is an LED TV, a very good backlight on the TV, giving you really good depth of black levels, great depth of field and a good natural colour palette. As I said, it's 3D technology built into the set, 200Hz scanning and full HD as well. There's a lot to talk about on this TV and I don't want to drag this video clip on too long, so please give me a ring. My name is Chris on 01204 861 861 where we can discuss more features that are available on this set. Or go to our website, which is soundinvision.co.uk, or pop into one of our stores. We've got 2 stores, one in Bolton and one in Leeds. So please give me a call. My name is Chris on 01204 861 861. If you are watching this on sort of some video clip or some video link somewhere, if you just click the link at the side of the screen, it should take you through to our website. On our website there are hundreds more video clips on TVs, amplifiers and speakers. So please call into one of our stores or give me a call on 01204 861 861. Thank you.